Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm waiting on a ferry. I'm going across to the Isle of Mull in Scotland. Going there for a few days, do a bit of exploring, possibly even some other islands, maybe Fingal's Cave. I'm just going to see how it goes. I won't be filming for a full trip, but I'll be filming for some of it. The usual, just wild camping, exploring. So join me. What a brilliant day it is today as well. Right guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Colin and I'll be your onboard service manager for this crossing from Oban to Craignure. By information, the managed cavity located at the forward end of deck 3 is now open to 7 hot meal to take fill. By information, the managed cavity located at the forward end of deck 3 is now open, 7 hot meals, take fill baguettes, freshly made salad boxes, light snacks, cakes, teas and coffee.
Guys, how you doing? What's the story, Ballamore? I am in Tobermory on the Isle of Mull. It's howking down with rain, and yeah, it's pish. Overpriced crap. I was going to get a burger, £16, and yeah, it's just all tourists and stuff. Not interested, so yeah. I never filmed much last night as it was howking down with rain, and plus I'd lost my battery pack. But yeah, I found my battery pack, so yeah, it's about 5 o'clock. I'm going to find somewhere to camp tonight. Yeah, the weather's awful. I don't even know if I'm going to film more. But Tobermory, yeah, it's pish. Alright guys, as you can see, the rain is still pouring down. On the way back from Tobermory, I decided to stop a little trail. Been walking for about 5-10 minutes. Yeah, to come to Aris Park waterfalls. Yeah, I can hear the waterfalls just now. So hopefully this is going to be worth me getting my boots muddy. I'm going to spin the camera around so you can see it. Oh wow, they're nice. Ain't walking down this path, but yeah, this path too muddy and dodgy, but that's quite impressive. That's another waterfall ticked off the list. It would be better if it wasn't just, yeah, horrible with the rain, but yeah, that's very nice. But fast. Sometimes it's hard being a YouTuber. Yeah, especially when it's raining. When it's heavy rain, it's horrible, especially if you're just solo wild camping. It's horrible. It's hard trying to film and get set up and stay dry and warm at the same time. So yeah, tomorrow I need to try and fit some things in. The weather's meant to be rainy again tomorrow, but yeah, I want to fit in Calgary Beach in Isle of Mull, which looks good. Let's see what tomorrow brings. I'm going to retire. I'm going to go to my bed. Try and make the most of my last day tomorrow in Isle of Mull. So far it's been good. Tobermory is, yes, pish. Don't go to Tobermory. Right guys, I'll see you in the morning. Right guys, What an absolute nightmare I've had. Yeah, the weather has been non-stop, just been non-stop raining. Decided to come down to Calgary Bay. Apparently this is one of the best beaches in Scotland, so yeah, checking it out. But as you can see with the clouds, the storm clouds are coming in again. Yeah, my tent is soaking wet, packing it away. I think I might just sleep in the car tonight. But yeah, I'm going to try and fit a few things in earlier on today. I don't know if I've had food poisoning or something, but yeah, I was unwell, I was being sick. This is a beautiful view. It's, yeah, the whole trip's been a bit of a nightmare weather-wise and stuff. I'm going to sit here, maybe take a walk along the beach. I think it's about 4:30 in the day now. Getting the ferry back tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see what else we can discover. Right guys. Guys, as usual, the rain has been down. But yeah, I don't know if you can see in the background, if I move my head, somebody skinny dipping over there, a woman, just stripped off, bollock naked, in the pouring rain. Yeah, we'll see if I can zoom into this. She is absolute bollock naked, but it's peeing of rain. Nice one. Right, everybody's running for the car. My phone is soaking wet. That's the bench I was on earlier. Oh. And as soon as I get back to the car, the rain stops. So I'm back out again. The sun is shining. This is crazy weather. Torrential rain there, and then now it's back sunny. So I'm going to do a bit of exploring along this cliffside. Well, I've got a good weather. I'll tell you, that's the view. And that's the beach. The naked woman again down there. Well, topless. What a view, but what a view. So anyway, I don't know where this track leads me. I'll give that a go for 20 minutes or so. Then it's back to the car, make up some food. Bombay bad boy pot noodle, no doubt. I haven't even showed anything, like cooking or setting up a tent, because it's been horrific weather. But yeah, this is a good end to the trip. This is beautiful. Yeah, I'll bring you back if I see anything interesting. Absolutely stunning scenery. Stunning. I'm only going to walk so far, just in case the weather turns again, but it's looking not too bad. I don't know if that looks like a little stone jetty in the distance. Check out the wee sheep. Whoa, it's getting very boggy. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, there's my boat, stuck in the mud. Fucking hell. Why do I do these things? The sheep in the hillside. The rock formations are something else here. Yeah, I may cut some of this out, it's just me waffling, but I haven't done a lot of footage for this video. Wasn't even sure if I was going to do a video for this. But yeah. This looks like an old jetty. Strange. It's an absolute middle of nowhere. Yeah, I just need to navigate through this bog. Yeah. yeah, I think this is the end of the line for exploring. Hello, hello. Do not cut. I know, it's very windy. You can see the full beach where I was earlier. Just wow. Just looking back in the path to see if anybody's following me. Don't think so. My car is way up in the distance over there. Time to head back. Just managed to dry my feet out last night by a campfire. My feet are wet again. Anyway, this is worth it. It's beautiful. Could be worse. Could be sitting in the house watching Coronation Street. Instead, I'm enjoying this. Right, we'll bring us back later on. I won't bother. Showing you me getting wet and boggy on the way back. Over the fence. Right, now to navigate the bog. I forgot I can do this with a selfie stick thing. I did not do this before. I don't know. Chelsea. Should I give that a go? Yeah, maybe not. Big waterfall. Yeah, the luck I'm having this trip, I'd be falling in that water. But onwards, going to somewhere called the Black Beach now. Storm clouds are starting to gather a little bit, so yeah, we're going to get there. Bring it back. This is beautiful up here, right on the headland. A perfect camping spot would be right here. I can see a little fire ring. That would be perfect. And a little beach beyond that, I think that's Black Beach, formed by black volcanic sand. But yeah, perfect for camping, right over there. But yeah, I'm not camping tonight. I've had enough of it. I think I'll sleep in my car or something. Yeah, just going to go and explore some more stuff. Well, I'm going to go down to this Black Beach, so we'll check that out. We'll see what it is. Yeah, look at the scenery. Absolute stunning. The weather looks so over there. It looks grey clouds. I think my tent is still soaking wet. Right, down to the Black Beach. Hey guys, so I've travelled all this distance to the Black Beach. It's basically a very small beach with sand that is black or grey in colour. that was worth another drive. But yeah, a bit disappointing this beach. It's still beautiful up in the headland looking out. Plus there's a family just turned up. So yeah, it's awkward filming here. But the Black Beach on the Isle of Mull. Beautiful scenery, but the beach itself, a bit small. And yeah, it's just sand, it's black. This is a really strange video I'm doing. It's just little bits and bobs. Right guys, does anybody know where these are? They seem to be on the highest points. Are they for fires? There's another one over there, up there on the high point. Can't work out what the chains are for, but I take it, yeah, it must be something to do with high points and lighting fires maybe. Right, back to the car. The weather is starting to turn. Alright guys, welcome back. Yeah, I think I mentioned earlier, I thought I had food poisoning. Yeah, it's bad. I keep throwing up. And the rain just doesn't let up here. So it's been pouring down with rain. I'm just sleeping in the car. Not got the motivation to do anything. Just made myself a cup of tea. Side of the road, got the burner on. So yeah, gonna have this cup of tea and then try and get some sleep. If you liked this video, it's probably not much of a video, just me bits and bobs all over the place, but yeah, not everything works out perfect. I think I'm going to be sick again, but I'm good. Yeah, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. A lot of the camera work's probably dodgy on this due to the rain, the wind and stuff. And yeah, so till the next one guys, hopefully I'm feeling better and hopefully the weather's a bit better for me. Right, peace out. Just waiting on the ferry, Craignure, back to the mainland to Oban. Yeah, still feeling rough. Thought I'd just throw this wee bit in. Yeah, not as bad as last night. I haven't vomited this morning. Just a bit of a dodgy stomach. Yeah, it's not much of a video, but Isle of Mull, yeah, it's good. Just the weather is, yeah, you need to pick your timings with the weather. Right guys, bye.